To add a phase, click the gray Add Phase button at the top of the screen. Here you can put the name of the phase that you want. You can type in a little description of what the phase will be. You can set the status of the phase, and you can also set a completion date for the phase. Now, if you want to add a phase and you don't want to set those parameters, that's absolutely okay too. You just have to name the phase. Once the phase is named, you can just simply click Add. And again, type in the phase name and click Add. Thanks for watching this tutorial.